National Weather Service for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Lehigh, and Northampton. Heat advisory in effect from noon to 8 p.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly.
Oh, come on, stop it.
Up to 103 due to temperatures between 95 and 100, and dew point 2 years in 2010. Impacts. These conditions increase the danger of heat-related illnesses, especially for the elderly, infirm, the very young, and those in inner-city areas that do not have air conditioning. Pets also are susceptible to the heat. A heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. Plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sunshine, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activity to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and drink plenty of water. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location.
Oh, come on, heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
To